Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Dropbox if we click on settings. Like this here, we go to settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you search about Dropbox. And you click here. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop. And you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then here we'll turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem.